Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to record a video for this week's assignment. This is for my ESL 4-5 and my ESL 3 class. So let's go into Google Classroom. All right, so this is for ESL 3 and ESL 4-5. I'm going to open the ESL 4-5 for now. Go into classwork and click on narrative podcast stories about real people. So you will watch my video that explains the assignment. Then you're going to open the Google Doc, read the assignment, all right? You will listen to 2 podcast stories and you'll complete the chart in the Google Doc. Okay, so let's open the doc and I will explain the assignment to you. All right, again, it's about narrative podcasts. So a narrative, it's like a story about a person. So stories about real people. So task number 1, listen. Please listen to 1 episode from each podcast, This American Life and StoryCorps. So you guys are going to be listening to 2 different podcasts from these websites. Choose topics that interest you. So about This American Life. Mostly we do journalism, but an entertaining kind of journalism that's built around plot. In other words, stories. Our favorite stories have compelling people at the center of them, funny moments, big feelings, surprising plot twists, and interesting ideas, like little movies for the radio. And about StoryCorps. StoryCorps' mission is to preserve and share humanity's stories in order to build connections between people and create a more just and compassionate world. So, where do you guys listen to these podcasts? So for This American Life, you can open one of these 2 links, okay? You can choose a different story from their archive, which is like their history of stories, but it's pretty massive, so choosing from here might help narrow it down. So it's a good idea to just pick one from the links here. Okay, so let's open up This American Life. So, this one is called First Day. So the next one is called Babysitting. So maybe this title sounds interesting to you. You can keep going down to find a title that you want to listen to, that you might like. But I'm going to click on Babysitting. So you guys are going to you're going to press this play button, okay? You're going to listen to the podcast story. But at the same time, you can click this transcript button, and as you listen along, you can read along to the different people in the story, the different characters, and that might help you understand the story better. So then you can go back and you can write in the title of the podcast. So, for example, I would write in babysitting here. Then you will tell me about the characters. List and give a brief description of the main characters. So the names and who are they, what do they do? Then the exposition, intro and setup. How does the host or the storyteller set the scene? So how does the story begin? Like, can you describe like the setting, like where they are, what time, what year? Then the conflict. What is the problem in the story? So what do the characters have to deal with? What do they have to overcome? The resolution. How is the conflict solved? Or how is the problem solved? How do the characters fix something? The theme. What is the moral or the lesson of the story? So what do the characters learn in the story? Or what do you, as the person listening, learn from the story? And exit outro. How does the host or storyteller finish the episode? So basically, how does the story end? Okay, so that's for This American Life. Let me go back up. So guys, you're going to do the same thing now for StoryCorps. So now click on the StoryCorps link. And again, these ones might be a little bit shorter. So you can choose an interesting story here. Okay, let's see. So right now, the bravest of us right now is absolutely terrified. So you're going to play, you're going to click play right here. Listen to the story. And they also have a transcript of the story of the two guys talking, so you can follow along. When you're done, go back again, type in the title, and you do the same exact thing for the StoryCorps story. So that's your assignment this week. Next week, I will give you another assignment that is also related to podcasts. Okay, so next week's assignment will be connected to this. Again, email me, text me on Remind. You can Google Voice text me. Join my Zoom meeting if you need any help at all. Bye, guys.